Welcome back. In this session, let us learn about nonlinear data structure tree. In this session, we will cover the definition, the properties, and various representations of the binary tree. A tree is called as a nonlinear data structure in which the data is organized as in hierarchical fashion. The first node in any tree is called as a root node. In the tree shown in the example, A is the root node. The link that connects any two nodes is called as an edge. A node which is a predecessor of a particular node is called as a parent node. For E, it is B. A node which is a successor of any node is called as a child node. E is a child of B. Children of the same parent node are called as in siblings. In this example, D, E, F are the siblings. A node without any successor node is called as a leaf node. In this example, D, I, J, F, K, H are the leaf nodes. Every non-leaf node is called as an internal node. A, B, E, C, G. The degree is the number of the child nodes of a particular node. For B, it is 3. A, it is 2. The level denotes the number of ancestor nodes till the root node. For A, it is 0. B, it is 1. Height denotes the count of the edges in the longest path to the leaf node. Depth denotes the number of edges in the longest path to the root node. A path is a set of the edges and the nodes that connects any two nodes. The tree of any child node is called as a subtree. There are two different representations for the tree. One is an array, other one is a linked list. In a binary tree, if the node is placed at the ith location, left will be placed in the 2i and the right will be in 2i plus 1 locations. In a single linked list representation, we use the reference node to denote the child nodes. In the double linked list representation, a node is represented within 3 compartments: data, left child, right child. If there is any left subtree, then that will be connected to the left child, and then if there is any right subtree, that will be connected to the right child. In the further discussions, we discuss about general tree, binary tree, ABL tree, and ape trees. That's all for this session. Thank you. Have a great day.